Welcome to Use Tokit OmniCook. I am glad to meet you here. Before we start, I will show you the primary function and basic operations of this OmniCook. Let us go to the world of OmniCook. Weighing reset. Weighing reset. Start cooking. Start cooking. Pause. Weighing reset. Start cooking. Start cooking. Pause. Start cooking. Start cooking. Start cooking.